everyone. My name is Professor Rachna Khatawkar, and today I am going to teach you about is the guest cycle which is carried out in an hotel. Now, by the end of this video, you'll come to know what are the different stages that we carry out during a guest cycle. That is the interaction of the guest with the hotel. The guest interaction with the hotel happens in four different stages. The four different stages namely are: first, pre-arrival; second, arrival; third, stay in the hotel; fourth, departure. Now I am going to tell you what are the activities that are being carried out into the pre-arrival stage. As we all know, pre-arrival means before the arrival. Here, the sub-department of front office, that is the reservation, it plays an important role. Why? Because the guest is going to communicate through a telephone, and it is the reservation assistants who is going to handle the guest politely and is going to book a room for the guest. During the reservations is carried out the reservation carry out is four different functions. The four different functions namely are: processing of the reservation request. Now how the reservation request is processed? Once the guest calls upon the hotel, the reservation assistant, she checks whether the particular type of room that the guest wants to book is available or not. If the rooms are available on the date on which the guest wants to book it for, she will book the room. She will process the reservation request. Before processing the reservation request, she will mail in details all the requirements. What is the rate of the room? What are the facilities that are there in the room? All these activities are being done by the reservation assistants. Once the guest is happy with the rate that has been negotiated with the guest, then only the guest asks us to process the reservation. Now that is the first function of reservation. They process the reservation request of the guest. The second function of reservation is that they create the folio of the guest. What is a folio? It is a guest account that is been generated if the guest has made an advance payment for his reservation, so that when he'll come at the time of at the time of arrival, we will have that he has paid. Like for example, if there is 10,000 rupees for a room night, and he has booked the room for two nights, at least he has paid his 10,000 rupees. Now what happens is, the remaining 10,000 rupees we can take from the guest during his stay. So that is creation of guest folio. All these things is done on the computer by using a software. Then the next function of the reservation is to assign or block a particular room. The room is blocked into the system as per the reservation. Now what type of room the guest wants to book, accordingly the room is been blocked by the reservation assistants. The last function of the reservation clerk is that they make, as per the guest special request, they makes the arrangement. Now these are the functions that are being carried out in the pre-arrival stage. So pre-arrival stage is the main activity is reservation. In the reservation, they carry out as the four major functions: processing of the request, creation of guest folio, then blocking of the guest room, and making special arrangements as per the guest request. Now we are going to see is the second stage of the guest cycle, that is arrival. Now arrival is the first stage. It is the first face-to-face interaction of the guest with the hotel. Now during arrival, there are different functions that the front office receptionist she carries out. The first function that she'll carry out is registration. It is a process wherein it is an agreement with the guest of by the hotel, where the hotel offers the main product, that is the accommodation and services, and the guest agrees to pay for it. Registration is done in a form of a GRC, that is a guest registration card. In the guest registration card, we take the entire details of the guest. If the guest has made a reservation, then we have the details of the guest, like the name, his telephone number, or from where he has come, is he, does he belongs to any company, is every details we have with us. So what does the reception person can do? He can just pre-fill the GRC, and this GRC can be presented at to the guest at the time of arrival. Then the second stage is assigning of the room. Even if the GRC is filled by the receptionist, the room is assigned to the guest only once he comes, like taking his preference into consideration. Like if he has booked for a single room, and we have a single room which is available at the ground floor, as well as we have a single room which is available at the topmost floor of the hotel. Now give an we give an choice to the guest that whether he wants to book a room, whether he wants to take a room in the ground floor or on the topmost floor of the hotel. If the guest is old, it is but obvious that he is going to opt for a ground floor. But if he is old, but he is a younger or an adult, so he will opt for the top floor. Now the third function of the arrival is we offer the guest the welcome drink. Once the welcome drink has been offered, what do we do is we issue the registration card, we have filled in the details, we have assigned the rooms to the guest. Now we need to, by this time we have served the welcome drink to the guest, and we do is the issuance of keys. That is, the keys are being issued to the guest. What does the front office do? They make the key card is already been made by the front office clerk, that is the receptionist, and it has been given to the guest. It has been not given to the guest directly. A bellboy has been called. The guest is only given as the key card holder, and the key is been given to the bellboy. Where after that, what does the bellboy do? He takes this key card. He assists the guest with his luggage, and then he takes the guest to the guest room. Then we will see is the third stage of the guest cycle. The third stage of the guest cycle consists of, basically it is during the stay of the guest. The guest is going to stay in the hotel, and there are different services that the guest is going to want from the hotel. Now what are the different services? For example, a travel desk. The guest wants to go for sightseeing into the city. Now he wants to go, and he wants some travel help. So what do? Is we speak to the travel desk that has been there into our hotel, and we arrange a car for the guest for his sightseeing. Apart from this, if the guest is a business tourist and he has some mail that will be coming to the hotel, what do? Is we collect the guest mails, and when the guest comes, we pass on to the guest. In the same way, if the guest is not there in the room and there is some telephone call or some message needs to be passed, this message is passed to the guest with these are the services that we provide. Mail handling, that is handling the parcel of the guest. Message handling, like for example, the guest is not there in the room, we have taken down the message, we take the message on the message sleeve. The message sleeve is slip into the guest room, or it is also being kept into the key rack if the guest is not there in the room. Then we also during this stage we issue is the safe deposit locker. If the guest wants the safe deposit locker facility he wants that facility to avail, so what do? Is we provide the same facility with him, right? Then for example, if the guest has asked us to give his newspaper, then the bellboy of the front office department, he goes personally to the room and gives the newspaper to the guest. Now the next service is we carry out is the paging activity. Now what is the paging activity? Paging activity is if the guest has gone to any of the public area of the hotel, and the guest has not given his location, so and there is a visitor in the hotel for the guest, what do? Is we call the bellboy, we ask the bellboy to move with the page board. That is, what is paging? Paging is locating the guest into the hotel. Now we'll see is the fourth cycle of guest, fourth activity of the guest cycle. The fourth activity consists of departure. What is departure? Departure is be like going away. Now the guest is going to check out from the hotel. What do we do is we prepare the guest bill, we settle the guest bill, right? And we do is the future reservation of the for the guest. And if at all the guest wants any left luggage facility, we also provide the left luggage facility to the guest. I hope all of you are clear with the four different stages of the guest cycle. The four different stages of the guest cycle are pre-arrival, arrival, during the stay, and departure.